Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope y'all going to eat well, have fun, spend time with friends and loved ones. But today I am always working, as you know, even on the holidays. I'm going to show you how to press a Ninja Transfer on a t-shirt. And then we're going to do a review, all right? All right, set your temp to 315. I'm just doing a pre-press to get all the moisture out. All right. Ruler. I know they say 3 to 4 fingers, but if you don't have a ruler, make sure it's like at least 4 inches down from the collar. Center it however you want to center it. If it's even like pinching it, folding it in half, or you want to measure it out once you know the center. And now, since mine's so big, I'm finna just gently push it up. Well, I'll probably have to do 2 presses because this ain't gonna get everything. Have something to protect the heat press. Now press it for 15 seconds. And now I gotta do the other side because we didn't get everything. Now it's a cold peel on top of that, so you can't rip it off. You gotta cool it off. I like to use the towel sometimes to absorb all the heat. Not a towel, but a shirt. And my wife made the design. Well, it's a combination. I had the idea, but she drew it up for me. I love her for that. Teamwork make the dream work. Let me see if it's cool enough. Let it cool a little bit more. I'm finna let it cool, I'll come back to you. Alright, since it's cool, do a nice little peel. Bam. Now look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Ain't getting in focus. But yeah. Now, me personally, I like to press it one more time just to make sure it's in there and it stays there. But you can do it for like 5 seconds. You don't have to be the whole length. Just to get a nice little press in there. And boom, the shirt is done. Alright, now there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see how to order on Ninja Transfers, let me know. By the way, this is not sponsored by them. I just want to test different DTFs out just to see how they look, how they feel. I will do a wash test. I will keep you posted on those results. And after that, I say it feels nice. It's light, it's not heavy, it's not thick. I like to do DTFs once in a while to just try out a shirt, see how it looks on me before I post it on my site or whatever. But yeah, if you like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving. Peace.